What is the fastest way to cure a fatty liver? Number 8. Lose excess weight. Shedding excess weight is highlighted as a crucial element in improving the progression and symptoms of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, according to the 2017 guide from the American Association for the Study of Liver Diseases, AASLD. The guide suggests that individuals grappling with obesity and NAFLD should aim to shed between 3 and 5% of their body weight to reduce the accumulation of fat in the liver. Additionally, it emphasizes that losing between 7 and 10% of body weight can enhance other NAFLD symptoms, including inflammation, fibrosis, and scarring. The guide recommends taking gradual steps toward weight loss over time, cautioning against unsustainable methods like fasting or extreme diets that can strain the liver. Before embarking on any weight loss program, consulting with your doctor is essential to determine the right plan for you, and a dietitian can assist in developing an eating plan tailored to help achieve your weight loss goals while making nutritious food choices. Number 7. Drink coffee. Regarding coffee consumption, research from 2016 indicates several protective benefits for the liver. Specifically, it stimulates the production of liver enzymes believed to combat inflammation. The same research reports that regular coffee consumption among people with NAFLD reduces overall liver damage. The optimal amount to lower the risk of liver disease appears to be 2 to 3 cups of black coffee per day, as it lacks added fat or sugar. Given the caffeine content in coffee, it's advisable to be mindful of consumption. If 2 or 3 cups cause jitteriness or anxiety, it may not be the best option for you. Number 6. Get active. In connection with physical activity, research from 2017 establishes an association between NAFLD and a sedentary lifestyle. Inactivity is known to contribute to other conditions linked to NAFLD, such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and obesity. Staying active is crucial for those with NAFLD, and according to the Physical Activity Guidelines for Americans, a recommended goal is at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week, equivalent to around 30 minutes, 5 days a week. Engagement in sports or gym sessions is not mandatory. A brisk 30-minute walk, 5 days a week, is sufficient. Alternatively, for those with time constraints, breaking it down into 2 brisk 15-minute walks, 5 days a week, is also effective. Initiating exercise involves integrating moderate physical activity into daily routines, such as walking to the grocery store, walking the dog, playing with kids, or opting for the stairs instead of the elevator whenever possible. Number 5. Target high cholesterol. Addressing elevated cholesterol levels is crucial due to research from 2019 indicating that non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, can hinder the body's natural ability to manage cholesterol. This, in turn, can exacerbate NAFLD and heighten the risk of heart disease. To manage cholesterol and treat NAFLD, it's advisable to restrict the intake of specific fats, including saturated fats found in red meats and full-fat dairy products, as well as trans fats prevalent in processed baked goods, crackers, and fried foods. Implementing lifestyle changes such as weight loss, regular physical activity, and adopting a Mediterranean diet can contribute to cholesterol management. Depending on the individual case, a doctor might also prescribe medication to address high cholesterol. Number 4. Try an omega-3 supplement. Considering omega-3 supplements is another avenue for those with NAFLD. While certain fats should be limited for overall health, polyunsaturated fats like omega-3 fatty acids found in oily fish, nuts, and seeds are known to be beneficial for heart health. A 2016 review suggests that an omega-3 supplement may reduce liver fat and improve cholesterol levels, with daily doses ranging from 830 to 9,000 milligrams. It's crucial to consult with a doctor to determine the appropriate dosage and whether supplements are preferable to dietary sources. Number 3. Take vitamin E. Vitamin E, recognized as an antioxidant that may reduce inflammation caused by NAFLD, is another consideration. A 2018 review acknowledges promising research but emphasizes the need for more studies to understand its specific benefits. The AASLD's 2017 guide recommends a daily dose of 800 international units for those with NAFLD without diabetes and confirmed non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, NASH. However, high doses of vitamin E carry risks, underscoring the importance of consulting with a doctor to assess its suitability for managing NAFLD. Number 2. Investigate herbs. Exploring herbal alternatives is also noted in a 2018 review, which identifies certain herbs, supplements, and spices like turmeric, milk thistle, resveratrol, and green tea. While these show positive effects on liver health, it's crucial to recognize that they aren't approved medical treatments for NAFLD and may have side effects. Therefore, consulting with a doctor before incorporating herbs and supplements into the treatment plan is essential. Number 1. Medical treatments. As of now, there are no approved medical treatments for NAFLD, although some are in development. Pioglitazone, typically prescribed for type 2 diabetes, is one such treatment highlighted in the AASLD's 2017 guide, suggesting potential improvements in liver health. However, further research is needed to establish its long-term safety and effectiveness, making it currently recommended only for those with confirmed NASH. In managing NAFLD, lifestyle and dietary changes remain the most effective options. Strategies such as weight loss, regular physical activity, reducing sugar intake, adopting a nutrient-dense diet, and potentially incorporating coffee, if tolerable, can contribute to symptom improvement. Individuals with NAFLD are advised to collaborate closely with their doctors to devise a personalized treatment plan tailored to their specific needs. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with others who might benefit, and subscribe for more content on health and wellness. Your well-being is our priority, and we look forward to sharing more insights with you in future videos. Thank you for tuning in, and take those proactive steps towards a healthier, happier you. Until next time, stay well.